What's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel where we do product reviews, how-to videos, and the occasional car rally. This video we're doing the third option here and going on a 3-day car rally with my buddies from Parker County Corvettes. It's over a 700-mile trip and we're going to be heading down to the Twisted Sisters that is just northwest of San Antonio, Texas. If you've never heard of the Twisted Sisters, think of Tail of the Dragon, but a little bit smaller. So there's gonna be about 20 of us driving all different kinds of Corvettes and checking out all the beautiful roads and scenery. So with that being said, I'm gonna finish prepping this car and head over to the starting point. Let's go. Let's talk a little bit about this trip. So it's a 3-day rally. First day is getting down to the Twisted Sisters. Second day is actually enjoying all those awesome roads and views. And then the third is heading back. So we have a few spots that we're gonna be checking out along the way. So I'm really excited about this trip. I've never gone down to these set of roads, so it is a completely new experience for me. And I'm so excited to share all of this stuff. And I'm super stoked to get a video of everybody, and as well as all the cars and all these great roads and stuff like that. I can't tell you how much I enjoy doing these. I enjoy doing all the product reviews and how-to videos, but in the end, I love driving my C8 and just driving with people that love their Corvettes as well. So that's enough of me yammering for now, and let's get to some cool footage. So we're in Marble Falls, Texas, and this is where we're gonna be actually having our lunch as we're making our way down to the Twisted Sisters. And it's a pretty nice little area. I mean, who would have thought this would be here? So, I mean, beautiful sights and scenery, along with an awesome historic district. In any case though, I'm gonna go get food with everybody, and we'll get back on the road. So we are at our next stop in the rally on our way down to the Twisted Sisters. We are at the historic area of Luckenbach, and definitely in the rural Texas. I'm really enjoying the heck out of this drive, especially with everybody, although I went to go try to get some drone footage of everyone and I went to the wrong place, but it worked out because they happened to go in the same direction that I was already waiting for them, just a little further down. But in any case, got some really good footage of everybody. Looking forward to getting down, like checking this place out and seeing what they got, and then getting back on the road. Alrighty guys, so we've made it to the hotel. Day one is done. We're here at the outskirts of the Twisted Sisters. Tomorrow's the fun day with all the really cool roads and awesome scenery on top of that. So I'm gonna go get some rest and I will see you tomorrow.